Hello UK residents, today I have some vital information for those holding a Biometric Residence Permit or BRP. If you're navigating life in the UK, this update is crucial for you. Your BRP card, a key to many doors here including job and house hunting, is about to undergo a major change. Brace yourselves as all BRP cards will expire on December 31st, 2024. Wondering what's next? Let's dive into the transition to e-visas and how it affects you. The UK government is replacing all physical biometric residence permit cards with digital e-visas. This move to digital is a part of a broader initiative to modernize the immigration system. The shift aims to enhance border security and streamline the immigration process. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are e-visas? Simply put, an e-visa is a digital alternative to the traditional visa. It's a secure electronic record of your immigration status, accessible online anytime, anywhere. It's like moving your important documents from a physical folder to a secure digital one. The benefits are clear. E-visas cannot be lost or stolen, they're environmentally friendly, and they simplify the process of updating your information. Plus, it's a step towards a paperless world, reducing the need for physical documents. Starting April 17, 2024, the Home Office is sending out invitations to apply for an e-visa. This process will be in phases, so keep an eye on your email. If your biometric residence permit is reaching its expiration date, don't worry, you won't be left in the lurch. The first step in preparing for this transition is to create a UK VEI account. This account is your gateway to accessing your new e-visas. Now, let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll receive an invitation from the Home Office to apply for the e-visas. This will be sent to your email, so keep an eye on your inbox. Next, using the link provided in the email, you'll need to apply for the e-visas through your UK VEI account. This process will be rolled out in phases, so don't stress if you haven't received your email yet. Patience is key. Remember, this transition doesn't affect your current immigration status or rights. It's designed to simplify your life by securing your data and allowing for easy updates. Remember, there's no need to panic if you haven't received your email yet. Patience is key as this rollout continues through summer 2024. This transition from BRP to e-visas is designed to simplify your life, secure your data, and allow easy updates. It's a great leap towards modernizing the immigration system and enhancing border security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with others. For further questions, leave a comment below or check out the linked resources. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay informed and secure with your immigration status.